Hello, beautiful people. This is your manifestation coach, Monica Dubey. And my mission in life is to transform 10,000 lives with the help of my affirmations, meditations, and manifestation courses. So, today I have got a very unique technique for you, which you would have heard many times, but probably do not know what is the method to use it, what is the method to apply it, and how it works. So, I will tell you how this method works. I'm going to talk to you about a technique called 369 technique, which is a very powerful technique of law of attraction. But because a lot of people don't have clarity on how to use it, they are not able to use it. So, to know this in complete detail, just please press the like, share, and subscribe button. Okay, okay. So, I'll tell you how this 369 technique works. This technique was a very favorite technique of a scientist called Nicholas Tesla. Okay, so it said that he was very obsessed with this technique. Obviously, because this is a very powerful technique, and we know that there are more than 150 patents, copyrights, which has been registered under his name. Okay, so how to use this technique? Whenever you keep in your mind any thought for more than 17 seconds, it comes into a momentum. Okay, so if suppose you are trying to think I'm healthy, so just try to sustain that thought for 17 seconds in your mind, and it will start to become like a pendulum in your mind, and it will get suspended. Okay, and you will start manifesting it. So all you have to do is to you have to just create any thought, any affirmation which you want to achieve, any goal, and try to sustain it for 17 seconds. Remove all the other thoughts and just hold on to that thought for 17 seconds. Okay, and just do this for three times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times in the night time. Okay, so 369, you have to do this. You can fix a timing for this, so that whenever you are doing it, you don't forget to do it. Okay, so your brain, as soon as that time comes, or you can set an alarm also. Okay, so you can set up an alarm, or you can fix a timing and do this exercise. And please let me know how powerful it has worked for you, because there are many people who just do this exercise for 2 3 days and they start getting the results. And even when I set this in intention, I start seeing the results in 2 3 days. So it's a very powerful technique. Just try to do it, and I will come with more powerful techniques for you on weekly basis or daily basis. I will try to come up with more such techniques. Whenever I upload the videos, you will get to know. All right, so just do this exercise and please let me know how did you feel it. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.